Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use multiple lines in a cell Excel. To start, open your Excel file. Once you do, enter a word in the desired cell. After that, press the Alt key on your keyboard and then enter. You can enter the new word. Repeat this process for each word to use. As you can see, each word remained as a line in a single cell. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.